Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate. And again, I love doing the new stuff, and we have a new product today. It's kind of an old product that's been updated to something really cool, so come on over here. What am I talking about? Well, I got an Extang cover here. I got Jonathan from Extang, and we have the new Extang Trifecta ALX. Now, what is that? Well, the main difference on that is it just opens and closes better and easier for you. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So now, as you know, I love Extang Trifectas. I think they're a great cover. Before we get going, take a good look at it. I don't know if you can see that all right, but it's a great looking cover. So besides being a great looking cover, let's see how great it works.
Well, it's real simple. You just twist and lift.
So it's a very simple setup. See, if here, these are the new locking mechanisms that go into here. Now, before you had these on the other model, it has little things you pull down, lock in place. This just makes it more like a hard cover. It's easier to open and close. It still has all the other great functions of the other cover. It has the great warranty, which is, I believe, is a lifetime warranty, right?
It's a lifetime warranty on the frame and the tarp.
So it's on the frame and the tarp, so that's great. And of course, you can fold it 2 times, just like before. So, as you can see, he's using this like a truck, just like the rest of us. But the nice thing is it's just easier to close. You don't have to go to each side and lock it. You just, and that is why this is better. It just saves you time. As you know, time is money. So something that works a little bit more efficiently helps you. So I like it. As you know, I've been selling Extang Trifecta, I don't know how many decades now, but a long time. And I've always liked it. And I like that they're constantly improving their product. And if you'd like to get this, again, we can get it for you. The phone number to the stores on the bottom of this video, you can call us. We can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come to our store. The address of the store in the bottom there. Now, you don't want to talk to Dave behind the camera or me or anyone else. You can go right to the website and order from there. And again, we'll ship it anywhere in the country. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and we're doing a review of the Extang Trifecta ALX. Thank you.